Gang, let's go over that real fast. Once prices, prices at 1974 breaks down to 1950, boom, from take profit 14, and we see price push above take profit 14. Take profit 14 is at 1965. And then we see a break above 1965, it shows us our Tweezer top pattern. It goes all the way down to 1950. Boom. Then it makes price will just go lower, 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 make a lower high, boom, all the way back up to 1965, take profit 14. This is a push above take profit 14. This is actually at this take profit 14 in 1965. It shows us a bearish engulfing pattern once price makes a lower high, making structure, makes a lower high at 1965. It shows us a bearish engulfing pattern, black candlestick engulfing this yellow candlestick for our second entry, boom, and it goes down to 1950. It breaks below take profit 14. This is take profit 14 above, breaks below take profit 14. It goes into take profit 13, as this is all take profit 13 area. It breaks below now, and now they were in take profit 13. It would go from take profit 14 to take profit 13, back up to take profit 14, back down to take profit 13. It breaks back down to 1950, 1950, and boom. Once prices, we're in take profit 13 now. For our third entry, we're now in take profit 13. We trade from take profit level. So take profit 14. Now we're in take profit 13 level. For our third entry, what do we see? We see a black Marubozo candlestick. Black candlestick letting us know that sellers are in complete control at 1955 for our third entry. Okay, once we see price stops at 1951, it goes all the way back up to 1955. It makes a lower high. It just won't make a lower low. It'll make a lower high. It stopped at 1951 from 1965, mind you. Once it made this bearish engulfing pattern for our second entry, boom, it goes to 1951. Boom, we could have got out the trade, right? Then it goes back up to 1955 with this black Marubozo candlestick, and we could have got in for another trade for our third entry at 1955 at take profit 13, and rolled this all the way down to take profit 12. From take profit 13, this is take profit 13. Next level is what? Take profit 12. It goes right to take profit 12 exactly at take profit 12 at 1930. It stops right here. It stops right at take profit 12, 1930. Stops right here, like literally. Price stops right here. Boom. We can see price stop right here at take profit. Take profit 13 at 1930. Take profit 12 from 1955 all the way down to 1930. Literally it stops at 1930. With this drawing, I'm trying to show you right here. It stops right here with this candlestick at 1930 at take profit 12 from take profit 13, 1955 for our third entry, and goes all the way down to 1930. Right? Boom, down to trade. Right? If you want it, this is another way how I trade as well. This is another way you could trade. As well. You could also, of course, you could have swing traded this from 1974 all the way down to take profit 8. But I'm going over more strategies with y'all again to help you make money in this market. So, it stops at 1930, take profit 12, and then it heads back up. It just won't keep making lower lows and lower lows. It makes a lower high, a quick lower high. You have to be quick with this. It makes a lower high back up to 1940 from 1930, take profit 12 to 1940, right? 1940 right here. And it starts to head back down. You could have actually got in off this lower high right here, or you could have waited a little bit and got in. Once you see, more confirmation, you start seeing black candlesticks and at 1935. You could have gotten for a third entry, or right here, once price makes this lower high at 1940, you could have got in. And what do we see? We see black candlestick. We see a long black candlestick, Marubozo candlestick for our fourth entry at 1935, and it was at take profit 12 at 1935, and from 1935 price goes what to 1915, take profit 11, right at take profit 11, 1915. From 1940, 1935 for our fourth entry, 1940, 1935 for our fourth entry, and goes all the way down to take profit 11, 1915. It stops right at there. You can see it stops right here. And we see yellow candlesticks right after that, pushing back up to take profit 12, 1930 for our fourth entry. It stops right here. Boom. Let me show you. It stops right at take profit 11. Literally, price stops right here. Boom. You see price stop right here at take profit 11. Boom. with this count, we see price stop at take profit 11 right here. It stops, you know, from our fourth entry, as we're on our fourth entry, 1935, 1940, 1935, and then price goes all the way down to 1915 for, you know, our fourth entry. Boom, and we could have got out the trade, right? Then once price gets down to 1915, we see yellow candlesticks. We see buyers pushing price back up from 1915 all the way back up to 1930. Take profit 12 area, and we could got in for another entry once price made a lower high. It'll make a lower low, it'll make a lower high, and we could got back in at 1930 for our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 entry for our fifth entry, and we could have traded this all the way down from 1930. And price stops at where? 1915. Again, it stops right at take profit 11. From take profit 12 at 1930 to take profit 15, we could have it stops right here again. Boom. See price stop here again. Boom. It stops right here again. Okay. You know, like just showing you different strategies, you know, as you could have traded like this as well. You know, on the 15, boom, stops from 1930 and goes right back down to 1915, take profit 11. Right down to literally take profit 11, our psychological level. It stops right at our psychological level. Like price breaks below take profit 12 and goes right back to take profit 11. Then we see price from take profit 11, we see price go back up to where? 1928, 1925. It goes right to 1925, and we could have gotten for our sixth entry at 1925. It shows us what? A even star pattern. You know, our candlestick pattern, yellow candlestick, star, black candlestick for our sixth entry at 1925. And we could have rolled this down from 1925. We see black candlesticks, and we don't see no more lower highs. After this point, we don't see no more lower highs. We just see black candlesticks, and we see it push all the way down from 1925 all the way down to 1877. Boom, and got out the trade. Boom, once price got all the way down to here, boom, we could got out the trade. Boom. You know, and this is how we trade. You know, I just want to give y'all different trading strategies. You know, as you know, we went over a lot of trading strategies, but you know, a lot of factors come in when you're trading, when you're actually trading with your money. So, you know, I want to give you different trading strategies. I gave y'all risk reward ratios already. We talked about a lot. You know, great trade entry 1, great trade entries 2. You know, market structure. You know, we talk about a lot. You know, candlestick patterns. You know, we have to put it all together. So this is how we looked at this. Once price makes a lower low or make a lower high, give us a candlestick pattern. They gave us a candlestick pattern in 1925, made a lower high. Once price made a lower high in 1925, boom. It shows us this what even star pattern, yellow candlestick, star, black candlestick. And from 1925, we could have rolled this down to take profit 10, take profit 9. If price no longer really makes lower highs. Once price stops making lower highs, you're kind of just you got to just ride it out from there. You know, as you know, it ends the day. At the end of this downtrend, you know, this is the last time you could have gotten for an entry. As we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 entries. I show you 7 different entries where you could have just got in at. You know, this is the last one you could have gotten with this even star pattern at 1925, and you could have rolled it from 1925 all the way down to 1878. Boom! Once it stops here, it got out the trade. You know, gang. So I hope that helps. You know, as you know, looking at candlestick patterns can be confusing. So again, you know, once price shows you a candlestick pattern at our psychological level, it'll make a lower low, boom, and then make a lower high right back to our psychological level. Shows us another candlestick pattern, bearish engulfing, made a lower low, boom, made a lower high back up here for our third entry. Showed us a candlestick pattern, black candlestick, boom, from our psychological level, take profit 13 to take profit 12, boom, 1930, and goes back up, makes a lower high to 1940, 1935, shows us a candlestick pattern, another black candlestick pattern, got it for another entry, boom, breaks below, take profit 12, goes to take profit 11, boom, got the trade, boom, makes a lower high back up to 1930, you know, boom, oh my gosh, shows us another candlestick pattern right here, shows us another candlestick pattern, shows us a bearish engulfing pattern, literally. Yellow candlestick engulfing this black candlestick, you know, boom, and wrote it down to take profit 11 again, boom. Then shows us an even star pattern, boom, from lower high before it makes a lower low again, it'll make a lower high. Shows us this even star pattern and rolled this lower low from this lower high, make a lower low all the way down to take profit 8, 1879, boom, and got out the trade. All right, gang.